before you touch anything we will eat, you have to wash your hands or you can sanitize them. So meron po tayong washing sa gilid. If gusto po ninyo na magbuka sila ng kamay, pero meron din po tayong sanitizers dito sa harap. Or iaano na lang po siya ni Ate Nina, yung magsasanitize lang po sila. So I'll give you 10 minutes to sanitize or wash your hands. Thank you.
Come.